Alright, so it's next day. Got the Dodge done. It's pretty cold in here again. This truck's been making noise, so now my wife doesn't need it for half the day or so, and I'm free. I gotta check it out. So I think it's about squealing, but at the same time, it doesn't sound like the belt. It sounds like it's a lifter. But we're gonna tear this apart a little bit and pull the belt off, see what we can see. It's got two belts on this one. One is for the power steering pump, and then the other one is for the rest of it. So the alternator, water pump, all that. So here we go. I hope my light holds up. We got take this air box out. Up push tab here. Stuck in there. The belt looks really shiny. Go down here the tensioner. We're gonna pressure on the tensioner and pull off the belt. So they make tools especially for this. I'm just going to use a 1/2-inch drive impact here, or breaker bar. Yeah, I'm messing my words up so far. Go. This thing is very smooth on top, so that could be making all our noise. But we're going to oh yeah, look at that. Bring the camera. My wife's been driving this truck because it's my only good one. I don't want my family in the Dodge because the heat doesn't work that well. It's not modern. Right here on this water pump. Get you guys where you need to be. Look at that. That thing is toast. So we're gonna have to buy a water pump. That's why she's squealing. So what happens is there's like a mechanical seal in there, and then puts pressure on impeller or propeller. I can't remember which way this one goes, but and that goes bad, it starts wearing. So eventually it's gonna start leaking, which I don't see it being that low on antifreeze. Well, this thing's actually got 3 belts on it. I thought it only had. I thought it only had 2. It looks like it's got 3. And there's the AC pulley, and then there's one for the power steering pulley. So we're gonna have to get a water pump for this, which looks like a really big job. Hopefully they're pretty cheap. Be the first time ever changing one on an LS type engine. It's not actually an LS engine, it's L83 or something like that. Alright, guess we're doing a water pump, but that was an easy diagnosis. Truck still sounds like it has something in the lifter train going on. Valve train there, so we'll monitor that, but first we got to put a water pump on there so that my baby and wife can stay warm. So thanks for watching this one, guys. I'm just gonna assemble this back together and go warm up in the house. See you next time.